guys, it's Susan and welcome to my channel. I'm here together with my man Laziz, who's filming, so you cannot see him now. But we're at the cafe, the Aquarelle cafe, and it's in like Gangnam kind of area, Socho area. And we're gonna do some painting and enjoying good drinks. You can find all my Seoul cafe guide videos in the playlist that I have on my channel. Before we continue this video, I want to share a little fact with y'all, and that is that I noticed that most of my viewers are not subscribed yet. So if you're one of them, subscribe and let's get into the video. And besides the best drinks, or like the prettiest drinks, you can also paint. So they have aquarelle here, or like water brush. So this brush already has water in it, so after you drink, like during the whole thing, you can draw. You have to pay extra for it, but it's not that it's not that bad. So the thing is, I'm gonna draw Laziz.
And I'm gonna draw Suzanne, obviously. It was milk tea. So, and she offered me the cream as well. Delicious. I do believe that my choice was the best. Look at this.
This is pretty.
Yeah, but not delicious. Okay, I'm not gonna deceive you from this chance.
Oh, yeah, that's really good. Oh, but babe, don't forget.
There's some hot and there's some cold stuff, and together it's so good. You want? Come here, come.
That nose.
Wow. Hey, they don't have the tissues.
They have. I will get them, babe. It's on your nose.
I know. So that's why I wanted to first eat, then drink.
But
It's something that I needed for a few days.
it's gonna be my thumbnail. You with the cream on your nose. Awesome. Is it something special, or is it just a basic cookie where they put color on?
The second version.
But is it good, or is it just
I like it. Why not?
So, if you go to this cafe, they have two drinks with this cute color, but actually it's only coffee. Coffee is disgusting. So I wanted a hot chocolate, and they could make it for me with the cute colors. So I think it's just colored cream. I think I just have the same cream as you have, but with color. It's good cream actually. I don't like whipped cream, but this is good. This is different, babe. It's the same cream, right? But then cute. Or different?
No, mine was better.
I like it though. But there's no straw. I want to drink the drink, but I think I'll really have to eat this first.
Yours is ice, no?
Yeah, I got the cold chocolate milk. Okay, I think I can drink from this area. I recommend this, but
Not strongly.
I think I would recommend yours more. Yep, that's it. Let's enjoy and then draw. So I got the macaron. Cute. I wanted strawberry, but it was sold out, sadly. So I don't know which one I have. But it looks so cute. Now I'll eat. It tastes good, but I had better macarons. Let's put it that way. Babe, I didn't give you. I just realized when I put the whole thing in my mouth.
It's fine, it happens usually.
It's not. Such a... I love you.
Look beautiful at the first.
What are you going to do? somehow I made my boyfriend look like this. I mean, this part looks fine. The shirt. So we just finished our drawings, our art pieces. So I made Lizzie's. Obviously, shirt looks amazing. Head looks not like my man. Babe, stop. So yeah, this is my attempt of drawing Lizzie's. Then he made me. This is B.
Looks similar, like 2 drops of water.
These are the art pieces that we made, and now it is time to head home. So thank you a lot for watching. The information about this cafe, address and Instagram and stuff is in the description box below. Don't forget to come here as well. They have a cute dog, but I think they're like walking with the dog now because it's gone, which is so sad. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.